Hi guys, welcome back. Today is 18th March 21 and it's day 1 and week 9 of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is up by almost 300 point. India VIX is down by almost 5.5%. Bank Nifty is up by almost 300 point and Nifty 50 is up by almost 85 point. And I have just scared of my last position. So you can see in my M2M it shows 2600 profit. So that's the profit I have made from my last position, and now I have made a new position. In that position I have bought 35,500 put one lot, then sold 34,500 put 3 lot, then bought 33,500 put 2 lot. It is a ratio butterfly, or you can say the advanced butterfly, and the ratio is 132, and the maximum profit in that strategy would be 25,000 and the loss would be 25,000. So let's see what will happen till the closing time. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. You can see in the right side window, Bank Nifty is almost 200 point up, and it was almost 500 point up in the morning. So I think I should change my position. So right now I'm changing my position, and now I have 35,500 put 2 lot, then sold 34,500 put 5 lot, and bought 33,500 put 3 lot. It's a ratio butterfly, or I just changed my ratio. So now the ratio is 1, 2.5, 1.5. Before it was 1, 3 and 2. So the maximum profit in that strategy would be 50,000 and the loss would be 25,000. So let's see what will happen till the closing time guys. If market down further or move up, so I will change my position accordingly. So please watch the full video so you can understand why I have changed my position. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. It's almost 2:45 and you can see in the right side window Sensex is down by almost 700 point. It was up almost 600 point in the morning, and India VIX is about almost 1.5%. It was down almost 5%, And bank nifty is also down by 400 point. It was up almost 500 point, and nifty 50 is down by almost 200 point. It was also up. So market is down, that's why I have just changed my position, and now I have uh, butterfly only, and the maximum loss in that strategy is almost 17,000. You can see in my net value, and the maximum profit in that strategy would be 50,000. So let's see what will happen. And so it's a closing time, so I think I should carry that position for tomorrow. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So please keep watching, guys. Thank you so much.
Oh.